Sorry.
Hold on.
Don't let them out.
Oh.
Gosh, make sure it doesn't. Goddamn turkey. The rooster's coming in. The rooster's gone back in.
Rooster's what? You're the last chicken.
If you don't want it to get out, maybe you should close that door. If you don't want it to get out, Jessica, maybe you should close that door.
I'm Jessica.
I mean, sorry, Julia.
Get him.
I get names mixed up
This would be
because
so easy if you just
Jessica
listen
and Julia sound so much alike.
Watch. Ready? This is difficult shit.
Close the chicken door.
How do you
Yeah,
do it?
so they all you gotta do is just slide across, like,
Oh, now we got him.
and so now they can't get out. I do not want to be here when you do this
Why?
because I don't like when chickens like fly and freak out. Because one time a rooster attacked me.
I heard about that.
Yeah. I didn't like it. And it hurt.
Jessica, I got cornered. I'm gonna get it. Oh shit.
You're gonna give them a heart attack, Julia.
That one. I'd go for that one right there. That's right in front of us.
Like, I think you might actually kill them.
Did you catch it?
I touched his foot. Ow! Ow! He tethered me in the face. Ow! Shit. Oh god, I'm gonna catch you, whether you like it or not.
I'd go for the one you're going for because that one over there.